Health insurance is a very important aspect of financial well-being, but still not all of us have adequate health insurance. This is because we feel we are healthy and don't need any insurance. And also because health insurance policies seem so complicated with jargons and technical terms. Hi, I'm Purav Shah and welcome to channel Dezerv. In this video, I'm going to help you finally make some sense of the complicated terms in a health insurance policy brochure and understand which policy details benefit you and which do not. And if you are new to the concept of health insurance, watch our previous video on how much health insurance do you require. Let's start. In this video, I want to simplify a few technical terms that you may see in a brochure. It is very important to understand that these terms before you take a health insurance cover. These are a few concepts you should know about. Co-payment. It is the percentage of the sum insured or amount that you pay from your pocket in case of hospitalization. So if you get hospitalized and have a co-payment clause in your policy, you will have to pay a certain percentage of the hospital expenses and the balance can be claimed from the insurer. Of course, it is better if you don't have to pay. So choose a policy that has no co-payment clause. While co-payment is to be avoided, for senior citizens or those with pre-existing diseases, a co-payment clause may be the only way to get a health insurance cover and hence cannot be avoided. Deductibles. Deductible is the amount that a policyholder has to pay before the insurance company starts paying up. In other words, the insurance company is liable to pay the claim amount only when it exceeds the deductible. If the deductible is high, the premium is lower. While low premium is appealing to all, make sure the deductible does not result in you having to pay the entire amount for small treatments. Room rent. All policies have mentioned the kind of room and room rent that is included in the policy. You don't want to worry about choosing a low-cost hospital bed or share a room when you are hospitalized. So to avoid any surprises after hospitalization, make sure you and your family are aware of the room and room rent limit mentioned in your policy before getting hospitalized. If possible, avoid policies with a cap on room rent or type of room. Sublimits. Like caps on room rent, there are sublimits on types of diseases or treatments. In case of disease-wise sublimits, policies have a cap for different diseases. Go through the policy brochure and check the disease sublimits. Always opt for policies that have no or minimal sublimits. Pre and post hospitalization. In case of hospitalization, there are lots of tests and treatments that are done before and after the actual hospitalization. So make sure your policy covers expenses incurred pre and post hospitalization. Most policies now include pre and post hospitalization, so opt for those with longer time span. Restoration benefit. Restoration benefit is a benefit wherein the insurance company restores the original sum insured after it gets fully exhausted for the treatment of the illness. When you take a family floater policy along with your spouse or family member and one person gets hospitalized, the sum insured left over for the other family members reduces for that period. This is where a restoration benefit is beneficial. Make sure your policy includes restoration benefits. No claim bonus. No claim bonus is the bonus the insurance company gives you for not making any claim in a year. The insurer either reduces your premium or increases the amount of sum insured. Choose a policy that has less limits on no claim bonus and actually rewards you well for not making a claim. Riders. A rider is an add-on which gives you additional benefits. You can pay for a rider and get additional cover for things such as accidental disability and critical illness. For a small increase in premium, you can cover such situations in your health insurance policy and should be considered if you want to be vigilant. These are few terms that appear in a policy brochure and you must know about before selecting a health insurance policy. Hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions, please put them down in the comments below and my team and I will address them for you. Open your health insurance policy and look at the different terms. If there is something you don't understand, do ask us about it in the comments section. Hit the subscribe button below and press the bell icon for our next video on the quick checklist to refer to while selecting a health insurance policy. Thank you.